Learn to write. Writing is fun. In English, we have 4 lines to write on. First line is skyline. Second line is fence line. The third line is grass line. The fourth line is fruit line. Today we will learn formation of letter I. First we will learn to write small I. Put your pencil on the fence line. Come down straight, touch the grass line and make a loop. Now put your pencil above the fence line and make a dot. Let's try again. Well done! Now we will learn the formation of capital I. Put your pencil on the skyline. Come down slowly, touch the grass line. Let's try again. Great job! Thank you for listening.
Subscribe for more videos by EY Teaching Resources.